welcome to Programming School. Today I am coming with Google workshop, that is Google Cloud Community Days India. It is going to be held on January 22nd and 23rd, and the schedule is going to be like this. It is going to be start at 4 p.m. 22nd on 4 p.m. and it is going to be end at 8 p.m. and the 23rd also it is going to be started at 4 p.m. and it is going to be ended at 8:15 p.m. Okay, and how to register for this one? Just click on home here and click on register. Just simply you have to log in with your Gmail account, and you have to click on that register with Gmail, and you have to click on whatever the name you want. Just give the name and give the city, like this, and country and the industry name, and for example some ABCD like this, and the role of the designation, some ABCD like this, and mail. Are you Google certified or not? If you are any Google certified, if you click on that yes or no, and these are the certifications in which you are interested here. This is the check boxes, right? For example, if you go for all this, no problem. Why it is asking by Google means if you are attending these workshops, it is going to be give some discount vouchers or 100% free vouchers on these certifications. That's why we have to select all these things. If you are a fresher, just go for all these things. If you are any specialization on that, for example machine learning engineer or anything, if you have, go for only that one. And years of experience, if you are a fresher or a student, go for this one. And which community I am belongs to, you have to give that what is the city, nearest city for you. And I am going for here Bengaluru or Hyderabad, anything, or Chennai, anything. I am going to give here GDG Cloud Hyderabad. And you have to give how do you get to know about this event? I am going to get this event by LinkedIn. You have to click on, I'm going to through friends and company, you have to select this one and just click on the register. That's it. And then you got tickets like this, on Google Cloud Community Days. Mainly they are going to be give some there is no paid event. This is not a paid event, and it is going to be give some goodies, and maybe it may be like a dip. You may get some goodies and t-shirts like that, and maybe you have to get free certification vouchers. Win a cloud certifications, or you get a discount on the certifications, and you get certifications of participation also. Just everyone utilize this opportunity. Every cloud systems, Azure, AWS and Google also doing some creating some awareness about cloud systems. Everyone has to be know about how to integrate. Yes, we know that web technologies and machine learning and everything, and how we are going to integrate these things into the cloud systems. That is most essential thing nowadays. Thank you very much, guys. Just utilize this opportunity. Good luck. Thank you.